Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Tarts are perfect for appetizers, snacks, and even a main dish for a meal, followed by a nice fresh salad. The pastry base for this dish is easy to prepare and make. You can make your own pastry crust or a store-bought if you want to cut your preparation time, and that's what I did today. This chicken tart can be thrown together in just 15 minutes or just in time for the dinner. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things we need for this recipe will be some boneless chicken chunks. Then I have some all-purpose flour, minced garlic. I have some salt and pepper, butter, cream, milk, and I have some chopped onions and chopped capsicum. Then I have this store-bought pie crust, and I will share the link. I already shared the recipe for my homemade crust, and that's very easy and quick as well. So these are all ingredients which I'll be using today. Let's go and make it happen. So first, in a saucepan, melt butter, then add chopped onions, and then start cooking until onions are translucent and soft. Then add minced garlic and cook for like a minute or two until garlic is cooked. Then add chicken pieces and start cooking on high flame until chicken changes its color. Then cover your saucepan and let the chicken release its water for like 5-6 minutes. Then stir and then cover the pot again and let the chicken cook completely. Then after like 5-6 minutes, just open up the lid, and then I wanted to break the pieces because I thought my chicken pieces are way too big for the tart. So you can use a hand blender, or you can just break them with the help of spoon. But I used the hand blender and I chopped my chicken pieces. Stir again and let the water dry out a little bit, and then it's time to add flour. So add flour and salt and black pepper. And then start mixing. Here you can see the water is immediately gone. That's because of the flour soak up the water. So just cook this mixture for like a minute or two. We would just want our flour to be cooked, and then add milk. So start adding little by little. First add like a quarter cup, and then mix until flour is completely mixed with the milk and you have a thick mixture. And then you can add all of the remaining milk and then add cream, and then start cooking on a low flame and let the mixture come to boil. Stir continuously so the flour doesn't get stick to the bottom of the pan. And when mixture comes to your desired consistency, then add chopped capsicum and then mix and switch off the flame and let this mixture cool down a little bit while we prepare a crust. So for that, take a 9-inch pie dish. Generously grease the pie dish with the help of butter, oil, and then take your pie crust. As I already mentioned, I'm using the store-bought one. So just take the crust dough and then start arranging at the bottom of your pie dish. So with a very light hand, just press the dough at the bottom, and with the help of thumbs and fingers, just make the ridges at the side, and then make sure there is no bubble. And then with the help of fork, just poke the bottom so it doesn't swell up while we bake, and the edges as well. And just put it in the oven and bake it according to your package instruction for like 9 to 11 minutes or until it's light golden. So our pie crust is ready, our mixture is ready. It's not completely cooled down, but it's not piping hot as well. And I forgot to show you guys before, I will be using some cheese as well and some oregano. And I'm using this Mexican style shredded cheese, but you can use regular block of cheddar and mozzarella and just shred it and use it for your dish. So let's go and assemble that. So just pour your prepared chicken mixture on top of your baked pie crust, and then sprinkle generously your cheese on top of your chicken mixture. and then sprinkle your or dried oregano on top of it, and that's totally optional. If you don't like this taste, you can skip that. And then put it in the oven and bake it until your cheese is melted and bubbly. So while my tart was baking, I thought to use my leftover pie dough and my chicken mixture. So I cut little circles with the help of cookie cutter and then put it in a cupcake tray and just make these cute little mini tartlets, and they were perfect for school lunch. Crispy pastry crust, gooey chicken mixture, and topped with melted cheese. Every family's must favorite. With a little garnishing, this simple tart can turn into a party-worthy appetizer or finger food snack. If you make it at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of morEwish family and click on the links to check my previous videos.